Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all chat history on WhatsApp. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your WhatsApp. Once you have it open, then you tap at the get button on your WhatsApp, then you scroll down and tap on chat, then you click on delete all chats. So right here you have to provide the WhatsApp number which you want to delete all the chat and the chat history together with the receiving media and the sent media on the number which is the WhatsApp number. Once you put it, then the number is confirmed to be a registered number on WhatsApp together with the other information provided that you have to actually provide, make WhatsApp believe that this number actually belongs to you. Once you've done that, then you can now click on chat, delete chat, and once you do that, all your WhatsApp, all your messages history, the receiving details and the sent media, everything will be wiped, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.